The MUSETEX NN8 gaming PC case stands out with its 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, offering vibrant customizable lighting and efficient cooling. This case features a convenient tempered glass side panel that opens easily, making hardware installation and maintenance a breeze. The spacious ATX mid-tower design accommodates a wide range of components, including large water cooling systems and multiple storage drives. With its versatile graphics card installation options, the case allows for vertical mounting, enhancing the display and cooling of your GPU. The Smart I/O panel design includes multiple ports, including 2 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring fast data transfer and connectivity. Its diamond mesh front panel and high-transparency glass side panels not only look stylish but also optimize airflow for superior performance.